Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a very long time I haven't posted on YouTube, so I'm glad to be back. First off, let me just say that for iPhone users, lightning cables are a very real struggle. As an Apple customer, it makes it very hard to defend the company when they're giving such poor quality cables on such supposedly premium phones. We've all seen that the cables last anywhere from 6 months to a year, and at the end they peel off. Now we've seen a lot of tips and tricks online to overcome this problem, but they only seem to delay the process and nothing really stops it from deteriorating. Now this is where Anker's Powerline II Plus comes into play. I've known Anker for quite a long time now, and I must say that I'm very satisfied with their products. Now Anker claims that their cable can support up to 175 pounds of force and has a lifespan of 30,000 bends. For those who take Anker's claims with a grain of salt, Anker is also offering a lifetime warranty with its product free of charge, so you can rest assured that it won't let you down. The cable is currently offered in 4 different colors and can be ordered on their website or from Amazon for $18 US. Of course, I had to get my hands on one, so with that being said, let's get straight to the unboxing. Alright guys, so the cable comes in this very nice bag which feels very nicely made. It can be used to carry around the cable and keep it safe, and overall I think it's a very nice touch by Anker. There's also this small piece of paper which includes their contact information and how you can contact them in case there's anything wrong with your cable. The cable itself of course feels very strong and sturdy, even compared to the previous generation Powerline. I did notice some subtle changes into the design of the product. Other than the nylon braiding around the cable itself, the small bit of plastic around the neck of the cable now tapers further down onto the cable to better withstand bends. So guys, the cable does feel very good, but I can't be for certain before I try this out for a couple months. So I will try it out and give you guys the results in a couple of months in a second video. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be notified when the second video is out. And let me know what you guys think of this product in the comment section below, or give me suggestions on future videos. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.